In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new extensions menu in Google Sheets. If you've been hunting for your favorite add-ons or wondering where Apps Script disappeared to, don't worry, Google simply moved them. Everything that used to be scattered under other menus now lives in one convenient place called Extensions. Think of it as your control center for anything that goes beyond standard spreadsheet features. To get started, look at the top toolbar in your Google Sheet and click Extensions. You'll see three main areas inside: Add-ons, Macros, and App Script. This layout makes it easy to find exactly what you need without bouncing through different menus. Let's begin with Add-ons. Hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is like the App Store for Google Sheets. Here, you'll browse tools that can automate emails, run mail merges, or even connect your sheet to AI services. Each listing shows what the tool does, typical use cases, and the access it needs. A helpful tip while you explore: check the overview and ratings so you know what to expect before trying something new. If you already have add-ons installed, the Manage Add-ons option is right there as well. It's a quick way to review what's active on your sheet. Now, for those who want deeper customization, App Script is also inside the Extensions menu. This is where you go to write custom code or open existing scripts tied to your spreadsheet. It used to be under Tools, but not anymore. So if you've been clicking around out of habit, head to Extensions instead. Opening App Script from here launches the editor where you can build functions, connect to services, or fine-tune automations to match your workflow. Right next to that, you'll find macros. Macros let you record a series of actions you repeat often, like formatting, sorting, or cleaning data, and then replay them with a click. From the Extensions menu, you can record a new macro, run one you've already saved, or adjust how it behaves. It's a great way to save time on routine tasks without writing code. One last pro tip to keep everything running smoothly: if your spreadsheet starts to feel slow, open Extensions, go to Add-ons, and select Manage Add-ons. Remove anything you aren't using. Fewer unnecessary add-ons mean faster load times and fewer background processes. And that's it. The Extensions menu is your one-stop shop for add-ons, macros, and custom scripts. Organized, easy to access, and ready to help you supercharge your spreadsheets.